So let's move on. To install your chart data on the NavNet 3D, we first need to get into the data catalog portion of the chart menu. That can be accessed by pressing Menu and using your Roto key option to press Enter and then scrolling over to the Data Catalog tab. The Data Catalog portion of your chart menu gives you access to the System ID number, which is a 20-digit number unique to your NavNet 3D system. It's generated by the master and given to all the other displays in your NavNet 3D system, and is needed when acquiring chart unlock codes from either your Fruno dealer or when registering online at www.navnet.com. In addition to the System ID number, the Data Catalog portion of the chart menu also gives you access to the total number of memory slots you have occupied. In our case, we have 11 total memory slots full. And the total number of memory slots remaining. In our case, we have 4. So we have plenty of room to load a chart. If your chart memory is full, yet you still need to install some more charts, you can simply go into the chart catalog and remove unwanted charts to make yourself a little bit more room. You can do this by pressing Enter and entering the Data Catalog portion of the chart menu, scrolling down and highlighting the chart catalog in blue and pressing the Roto key one more time. Now you have access to the chart catalog. In this case, we're going to scroll down and we're going to delete one of the West Coast charts to show you how it's done. I've gone down and I found my chart and highlighted it here. I'll press the Roto key once and it'll bring up a box that asks me if I want to delete the chart. I'll go and select Yes, press Enter, and now the chart is gone. Now I've freed up some more, and now I have 5 memory slots remaining and only 10 occupied. Now that we've freed up some memory, we can now load our chart in the machine. This can be done through the Data Catalog portion of the chart menu. To install the data, we first need to insert the SD card into the SD card slot. This is found on the keypad for the black box units and on the faceplates for the 8 and 12-inch units. To insert your SD card, open the chart slot door. You'll notice that there are 2 SD chart slots. We want to use the upper one for this. Since we've installed the SD card, now we're ready to actually install the data on the NavNet 3D library. This is done through the Data Catalog portion of the chart menu, which can be accessed by pressing the Menu key, accessing charts, scrolling over to your Data Catalog tab, and pressing the Roto key once to gain access to the Data Catalog portion of the menu. Once in the Data Catalog, use the Roto key to scroll down to the Install Data button on your screen and press the Roto key once. A box will now appear informing you that the program will now exit and initiate the chart installation program. It gives you a yes or no option. Use the Roto key to scroll over to highlight Yes and press Enter. Now the program will exit and initiate the chart installation program. As you can see here, the chart loading is now in process. This will take some time. Once the charts have finished loading, you'll receive this notification indicating that the chart load was successful. To skip past it, simply press the Roto key. In order to use our new charts, we'll need to unlock them. As I mentioned before, unlock codes can be acquired from your local Fruno dealer or by registering your NavNet on navnet.com. To enter your unlock codes, you'll need to access the Data Catalog portion of the chart menu. This can be done by pressing Menu and using the Roto key to scroll down to select Charts. Under the Charts menu, scroll over and select Data Catalog. Press the Roto key for Enter and select the Chart Library window. Press the Roto key one more time so that it's highlighted in green, allowing you to select each one of the charts on the list. As you can see, the chart that we've just loaded shows up as being locked. To unlock the chart, all we have to do is press the Roto key once, access the drop-down menu, giving you 2 options, Delete or Insert Unlock Code. Simply scroll down and select Insert Unlock Code and press the Roto key for Enter. Now we have our window available to insert our unlock code. This can be done either using the Roto key, a USB mouse, or, as I prefer to do it, with a USB keyboard. Once the unlock codes have been entered, you'll notice on the chart library that the status for our chart has now been unlocked. And now your NavNet 3D charts are installed, unlocked, and ready to use. For all of you black box users out there, software versions 2.01 and up will allow you to use not only an SD card for chart and data loading, but also a USB jump drive as well. The use of the USB jump drive will allow you to load multiple chart and satellite photo areas on a single storage device rather than multiple cards, and will drastically cut down your load time. So thanks for joining me, and back to you, Jeff.
Thanks, Clayton. You're well on your way now to becoming an expert with NavNet 3D charts. We taught you how to find the charts on the internet, how to download them, format an SD card, put them onto the SD card, and then upload them to your NavNet 3D system. It's important to remember that we are constantly updating the charts, the satellite photos, and the 3D bathymetric data. So go to navnet.com, register your product, and you will receive updates when we have new charts. Thanks for joining us.